Okay, so today I'm just gonna show you another thing in this thing. I think I'm just gonna show you how to access the ancient control panel. Wait, what the? Okay, this is like kind of bad. You can see this jumper is kind of bad right now. Let's see if I can cloak it. I don't think so. Bro. This person. Okay. Oh my. Okay, let's see if. Okay, so this thing is. Okay, I think I'm just gonna reset by now. Yeah. Just gonna reset. Okay, so I'm gonna go somewhere right now. I think. Okay, and also here's the thing. If you don't know how to. Incoming wormhole. Let's just go through it. I forgot. It's incoming. Open the shield. Stop. Bro. He my friend. Okay. He my friend. Okay, wait. Now let's try to like at least I don't know, dial the gate. Okay, we're dial. So all you have to do is I think you dial this SH planet. Yeah. Why is it changing colors? I don't know, but I think it's because of the lighting. Bro, what the heck? Bro, I'm almost dead. What the? What? Oh my god. I know who this is. He's the that person who. Okay. I'm just gonna try to do something. Oh, he definitely ruined the dial, did he? What the? Stop. Stop. I'm seriously spamming it. Hopefully I don't get banned for that. There's like 2 rape darts right here. I'm seriously trying to do something, but okay. Seems like I'm gonna have to like shoot this person to death. Oh my god, dude. Fire at this person. Reload. Does reloading work? Do. I don't want to inspect it. I don't want to. Stop. What? Oh my. I'm seriously just trying to dial. Okay, this might not work. I might have to join a new server. Okay. Let's try this once more. Hopefully that he won't target me this time. Oh, I think the gate just activated. I'm going through. Go. Oh, it's Space Gate. I'm barely alive right now. Dude, I don't know about this. I'm seriously stuck right now. Outgoing. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, also that's... Okay, finally, let's try to do this again. It's gonna be hard. Oh, yeah, I forgot. It's not the normal void zone. If you don't know, this one has a very long caption. Okay, let's... What the... Okay, I'm killing this person. I don't care. I'm killing him. Stupid. Why can't I kill that person? Reload it. Looks like I'll have to try dialing it again. Stop! Dude! I'm not gonna let him hit me, so like, yeah. Also, he's just glitching. By the way, I'm gonna take a jumper and a shield. Bro, let me in the jumper. Let me in. Okay, now I think we're safe. All I think we have to do is the shield. Okay. What? Shield. Does that work? Oh, no. Okay. Let's try landing it. Now does it work? Shield. Can we cloak it? Bro, this is like so hard. Okay. At least it has a shield now. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna try to... Okay, this is gonna be real dangerous because these people don't know... Okay, I'm gonna... Oh my... What? Cloak. What? This is weird. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna dial the gate again. Hopefully this time we won't run into a problem. And by the way, I got glitched and now I have like infinite respawn. Whoa. Okay, SH. Finally, we will be able to dial this SH. Oh my. They can't shoot me. What about that? What are you gonna do about it? Bro! I'm trying to dial it. Why is it just so hard right now? Dude, did they actually... Bro! Yeah, dude. I'm not taking damage. Yeah, so... Oh my... My bro! Like, are you serious? It got dialed, but the shield is on. This is like so hard to just go there. I don't know why. Bro, what the, somebody, it's going random, I think. Stop trying to damage me. You can't. Bro, what the? Okay, I'm just gonna stop it. Like, stop, you can't do anything. I'm not going to die. Yeah, you're just gonna try to do that? Okay, finally, this, oh my, somebody's here, somebody's here. Bro. Okay, oh my. Stop, you can't do anything. Why are these people trying so hard to kill? You can't. You can't. Okay, dude, I'm seriously just trying to... Okay, looks... Oh my, their shield is up. Okay, I'm going in. Bro, just let me get in the gate. Why is this just so hard to do? I don't know why. Okay, I think finally it'll work. If it doesn't work, I'm seriously gonna shout. Okay, finally it's going to work. I don't know how long it took this to work, but now it will work. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot. That's not exactly the planet. So now I think I'll get some more private because now at least. Okay, by the way, there's another glitch to do this to be invincible, I think. Why is it not stopping? And you can't. Oh my. Okay, stop. You can't do it. You just can't. Okay. I think it's, oh my God. I need to sit there. Bro. Bro. Where's he dialing? I guess I'm just gonna do this so like we can actually get in. Okay, let's see when it actually activates. This dart is just gonna. Okay, it's activating. Okay, let me through. Oh yeah, I just forgot. They would always do this. Okay, I'm actually gonna try to just use a jumper. That might work. Wait, actually, I think it's actually possible to. Oh my, this person literally followed me. Stop. Stop. It's impossible. Yeah, dude, I seriously glitched my way in this. Okay, so finally, I think we'll be able to do this. Let's just, okay, I need to spawn it. Okay, now let me in. Okay, I think all we have to do now is take off. Okay, Y. W. X. Stop. Oh my God, dude. X. Oh my God. Seriously, we have to dial this? Okay, let's try this once more. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna stop. Okay, so here we go. That, and then we have that, that, that. I think that's it. Bro. Okay. Okay, let's just wait for it to activate. Jeez, man. Okay, here, midway. Finally, I think. By the way, I'm making part 2. There's only 10 seconds, so bye.